are one ummah when it comes to tackling those issues. May Allah Almighty grant us that goodness, understanding and the unity amongst us to be able to defend one another. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلِيَاءُ بَعْضٍ إِلَّا تَفْعَلُوا. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam has taught us that despite what differences we may have, the ummah is an ummah. Even when he spoke about the 73 different sects within the ummah, he says, سَتَفْتَرِقُ أُمَّتِي عَلَى 73 فِرْقَةٍ. He says, my ummah will be divided into 73 groups. Notice he said, my ummah, which means 73 groups from his ummah. What happens with us is shaitan comes to us to make us think, well, this guy belongs to a different sect. This guy has a few differences with me in the way he reads salah. This guy in a few things he believes. Therefore, we do not belong all to the same ummah and we don't need to worry about each other. This is exactly what shaitan wants and the kuffar want, and that's where they've gotten a lot of us. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. We pray 5 times a day, we say the same shahada, we face the same qibla, we believe in hajj in the same place, we do umrah and so much more that we do have in common. I'm not saying downplay them, but I am saying there are issues that affect us as an ummah.